What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave. I'm out back behind the shop. It's Signature Glass Tinting, and you're looking at a brand new Hyundai Ionic 5. I apologize, I've lost my voice. I'll try to make this video short and sweet. You guys, this Hyundai is becoming very popular. We're doing one every single day. I think last week we did 12 of them. It's not quite as popular as the Tesla, but it's very, very popular, and it's because there's a lot of glass. You got 4 side windows, you got a rear window, big front windshield, and of course, a large glass roof. We did not do the roof on this vehicle, but we did all the sides, the back, and the front windshield. The customer went with the Lumar Nano Ceramic IRX 5% on the back half, 15% on the front doors, and of course, the Lumar Air 80 on the front windshield. Still to this day, the Lumar Air 80 is the only window film specifically made for the front windshield. 99.9% UV protection, 86% infrared heat rejection. We've never had 1 inch of it fail. I think we started using it back in 2006. All the side windows and the back window was digitally cut. The front windshield is a custom job, so it was hand cut. Lifetime manufacturer's warranty, and of course, everything we do here at Signature Glass Tinting comes with our personal guarantee. The side windows, I don't care if they're broken, scratched, vandalized, car accident, whatever happens, bring it back. We'll tint it for free. You guys, I don't care where you're located in the world. If you have questions about window film, give me a call. Find us on social media. Look us up on the web, or give us a call the old-fashioned way, 949-515-8468. If you don't use Signature Glass Tinting to tint your car, find a shop that offers Lumar window film. Find a shop that's going to digitally cut the window film, and most of all, find a shop that's going to stand behind everything they do. Signature Glass Tinting, Costa Mesa, California.